When you click Buy Now on Amazon, a chain of systems starts working instantly. Most people never see what happens next. It starts before you even order. It's about preparation, long before you place an order. The system is already ready. Let's walk through what actually happens. Demand is predicted. Before you order anything, Amazon has already predicted demand. It uses data from millions of customers to decide what products people are likely to buy. That's why warehouses are placed close to cities. The product is already near you. Speed comes from design. Once the order is placed, the system already knows where the item is. Workers and robots follow optimized paths, designed to reduce walking, waiting, and errors. Speed does not come from running. Speed comes from design. Packing is not random. It's calculated. The system selects the right box size, minimizes empty space, and reduces handling. Every extra touch adds time and cost. Packages move through regional hubs using scheduled transport routes. Logistics is not about speed. It's about timing. Miss one time window, and the entire chain slows down. Most expensive step. The last mile is the most expensive part of delivery. Routes are optimized, stops are sequenced, and drivers follow pre-planned paths. Most delays are not human mistakes, they are system failures. Predictability wins. Amazon doesn't win because it moves fast. It wins because it is predictable. Predictable systems reduce surprises, and surprises are what slow operations down. The next time a package arrives in 24 hours. Remember, it's not magic, it's a system.